PHIMS Hunter Drone is redefining national defense with jet speed interception, attritable cost, and global range. The Hunter advantage includes 250+ knots, a 20x power boost, and 90% less fuel. This $5,000 solution stops $20,000 threats, reversing the cost ratio of modern warfare. Modern warfare has a cost ratio problem. We are using million-dollar missiles to stop $20,000 threats. It is unsustainable. It is time to reverse the math. Introducing the PHIMS Hunter Drone. Powered by our proprietary operating system Plus, this platform delivers jet speed interception at a fraction of the cost. We use a simple, mass-producible 4-cylinder design to reach 250+ knots. The PHIMS architecture provides an instant 20x power surge for high-speed engagement. It cruises on 90% less fuel than traditional platforms, allowing for global range and massive endurance for long-range border patrol. This is Hunting the Hunter, a $5,000 solution to stop $20,000 threats. We are redefining national defense through smarter energy management, not just bigger hardware. The future is here with the PHIMS portable unit, built and engineered in West Virginia. Watch the live demo at amtwv.net/home.